go. So I'm gonna head out right now and get some food, man, because I'm really hungry right now. And it looks like I'm almost out of the whole. Looks like I'm almost out of here. There seems to be a lot of begging right outside the whole masjid. So like at the gates, inside, a lot of beggars and whatnot. It's sad, but it should be something that, I mean, we humans, but also like, you know, the government should be looking after their people. It's quite sad that the government just doesn't do their thing. But I guess, you know, in a country of over 1 billion people, it's quite... Anyways, man, it's not for me. Whoa, oh, man, this is something. I'm on a hunt right now just for some nice halal food, something like this, but I think this is sweet. Sweet. I don't know what it is, but it seems like a sweet sort of thing, but I don't want sweet first. I want solid food, so I'm gonna go get some. I'm gonna go get some actual solid food first before I come back and get some sweet. And like, seems like you can find it almost everywhere, so I'm not really missing out if I walk away from that guy. I'll go a bit further down and see what I can find. Look, there's more sweets. But that's what I want, something like in a big pot. Sticks on the side, and it's just like an oven, I guess, and it just cooks it up. But I could get a nice meal there, but why stop in the beginning? You know, you never go to the first place. It's always nice to just keep going and see what you can find, because I'm sure you can find more things. If you eat at the first place you see and now you're full and you missed out on other opportunities. That place seems like it's packed with people eating outside, so it must be a good spot. I had to get off the road, man. It was just too hectic. Let this traffic get past a bit and then make my way. But look at this, man. God damn, I'm barely finding any space to even move, but I'm almost out. I gotta get this guy out of my way. He's hitting my ankles almost, but charcoal chicken almost. You know what? I'm actually keen for some meats. Like, I want some real meat, so I might actually just eat here. It seems like a nice spot.
How are you?
Assalamu alaikum. Very good, brother. I'm just looking at your menu. This is your menu?
This is menu.
Okay, and this is for this as well?
This is chicken Changezi. Yeah, famous.
Chicken is called what?
Changezi.
Changezi?
यहाँ बनेगा Changezi.
Chicken Changezi?
Changezi.
Okay.
Tandoori chicken tikka.
Okay.
Roasted dry में.
I'll try that chicken Changezi. Changezi.
Gravy.
With gravy?
Gravy.
Okay. I've never seen it before, but let's try it. Kitne rupee? How much is it? How much? Kitne rupee?
320 half.
Oh, that's a bit too much.
590 full.
Yeah, best price. 320 is too big, too much. What's the better price? Can you do for 250?
Quarter, 160 quarter.
160?
160.
Okay, I'll do 1 quarter.
Sit down, sit down.
Thank you. I might actually go upstairs. Really? No, actually no. It's fine over here. I'll just sit here. But I ordered something quartered chicken Changezi. Never heard of it. Never seen it before. And he said it's famous, so I'll check my bag down and I'll head back out there and I'll watch him make it. So that's chicken Changezi. That's chicken Changezi? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's. Is that chicken Changezi? This one? I think that's it. I'm not sure. I'm not getting a solid answer, but oh, it smells so good right now. Just he added a bit of coriander. It looks like sliced up chicken bits, you know, like chicken, whatever, tenderloins or whatever, grilled, fried, and now they're just being soaked up in the sauces. Oh, that chicken rice looks so good right there, man. I'm so hungry, man. No breakfast. No breakfast at all, so this is gonna be my first meal of the day. I'm really keen for that. Adding a bit of seems like, I don't know, butter maybe, or melted fats, who knows? I really don't know, but it looks good. Is this butter or fat? Butter? Butter. I guess it's butter. It's either that or he's just nodding his head for it. I want a drink as well. I might just quickly go grab myself a drink. I'm just gonna quickly grab a drink. Thumbs up. I think that might be for me, chicken Changezi. I hope so. It looks like a big plate actually. That's chicken Changezi?
That's chicken Changezi.
That's my one?
That's my one.
Okay. I think that might be my one. It's quite large. I'm not sure. I ordered a quarter. If I get bigger, I don't mind. But if they charge me a bit more, then it might be a bit of an issue. Unless it's someone else's. I don't know. The space is busy. I just came, so it might not be mine. Might be other people waiting. People down there look like they're waiting as well. Looks like this brother's got the unfortunate job.
Chicken, only chicken.
Only chicken?
Chicken, yeah.
Halal, yeah? Alhamdulillah.
Yeah,
good. But yeah, it looks like he's got the unfortunate job.
I'm from Bihar, but living in Delhi. I'm doing job there.
What's this, brother?
Yeah, this is chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka with
Tandoori roti.
Tandoori roti. Okay. I think that's what I ordered as well. Tandoori roti, but I ordered butter version for only about 4 rupees more, which is like very insignificant, maybe 2 cents. That's really nice. Really nice, yeah. What is your name? Sorry.
Yeah, Fras Khan.
Faraz Khan?
Yeah.
मेरा नाम हसन.
Oh, yeah.
Mu'min. Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Very nice. Whose is this? Is communal or?
This is salad.
Oh, okay.
Salad.
And this is Changezi. Oi, oi, oi. Thunderbat. Oh, he gave me one. That's alright. Oh, I spilled a little bit of it as well. But guys, let me put this camera down and show you what it's like. Paraganj. Guys, so I got my meal, alhamdulillah. It's tandoori buttered chicken, and look at the oil sitting on it. It's like an ocean almost. Not really, I'm exaggerating, but it's there. And then you've got the chicken, something I forgot what it's called. Changazi. Chicken Changazi. Let me try it first, just with a spoon. Spice almost got me in my neck, but no, it's really nice. Really, really rich. So I need to sort of eat it with something more savory, which is like this butter naan, I believe so. But God, there's a lot of oil that comes out of it simply as you press. Like imagine I was eating with my white thowi, bro. Oh, this would have been a disaster, an absolute disaster, man. But let me try this piece of chicken, and I'll let you guys know. Whoa, brother, this is so good, man. This is so good. And it's so very, very succulent. It's like charcoal chicken, but in a curry version. And the meat just comes off the bones like that. That's so nice. Really good. You want to try?
No, yeah.
Are you sure? You can try.
Thanks for asking me.
Anytime. It's really, really nice, man. You've been working in Delhi for 1 year?
1 year.
So you left Bihar.
I left there. I'm going back to my home tomorrow.
Oh, you go back to Bihar tomorrow?
Yeah, just for 1 week. We will meet my parents and we will back to there.
Yourself or your parents together?
No, I'm living self.
May Allah make it easy for you, I mean. It's tough sometimes, eh? Since you've been away from family, but Allah make it easy for you. Allah make it easy for both of us, I mean. It's full on here, man. It's really busy. See people come and go, more people come in. Waiters run up and down, up and down, up and down. It's a really busy place. Man's playing with my hair when I'm having a conversation. Huh? Real. Real, 100%. Hey. What does asli mean?
That means
True?
yeah.
Yeah, yes, it's true. It's true, my hair. Thank you, thank you.
That's the video, man.
Nice to meet you, my friend. Look, all the best. Thank you so much. And hopefully I see you one day again in Bihar.
Yeah, see you.
Inshallah. streets now. Alhamdulillah, I ate more than I wanted to, but the food was so good. However, I'm still hungry, but this time for more exotic things. No, I just had big meal, thank you. Jazakallah. Now I just want to have some kind of desserts, maybe some sweet drink to drink, and just try different kind of things because I've had a big lunch and everything, so I'm not after a huge meal, just something light, you know?